in correction to the error of the theories and concepts of race and racism mentioned earlier, which were peddled throughout the world by the European historians and writers. Race is being presented here within the natural truth, the historic truth. It has always been the issue of the human self-glorification, the claim, I am better human being than him, the temporary advantage I have now has made me into a different creature. The portions of the world map above approximated Ouwarre to the ancient Igbos. We will now shift from Ala Ogudon, Arikachiri, and Alayeke, the Americans. The Ala Odeinda Onwa, meaning the land of the world's setting sun, to the Etiti Owa, meaning the middle world. The introduction here will show that the spreading of Africans to the north of Ouwarre and to the east of Ouwarre was slow and steady. There was no natural disaster that engendered migration, or especially to the unknown parts of the world. The spreading was successfully in populating the world. It was guided by common language and intelligible means of communication. The earlier history portrayed or sent a picture of subhuman, aimless drifting from place to place that had the need to zero out the gains and the advances by humans and life in the equatorial, tropical, and subtropical worlds before the emancipation of the now Europe, that was propelled by the invention of the gun. The middle block of the world to the ancient as is handed down was undivided or section as we now have it. Then the Igbo Bantu people had their own ways of recognizing and locating their people in all the lands that was constituted Ouwarre. In the equatorial genetic hotspot, nature had centered in the equatorial Africa, where she was stewing up and dishing out. Even to this day, people with different shades of complexion. This shade has listed below. They are totally random. The same parents may produce any and all of these different shades in the children they have. A non-identical twin babies may represent any pair listed below. There was no selection or singling out of any kind based on a single gene or combination of genes or group of genes within the genetic hotspot Africa. For example, any pair has the inherent genetic capacity to reproduce all the kinds listed here. Thus, the Hungary, meaning black with short coiled hair, and ebony, black complexion. Next, the iberi, beriberi, meaning ebony black with waving hair. Third of the list, the Chukwuma iberi, meaning light skin black with short coiled hair. The fourth from the list, the Chukwuma iberi, meaning light skin with black waving hair. The fifth one from the list above, the Arya, meaning fair light skin with black waving hair. Then the sixth one, the Arya, meaning very light skin with longer coiled hair. Then the last one, the Arya, meaning extremely light skin with extremely low pigmentation. To the professors and students, art of Africa, no isolated type of genes generated any special or isolated humans into the world. The men and women who spread from Africa into to the rest of the world, they were of same family, same common heritage, whether to the north or to the south or west or to the east. Their spreading was from the same family.